Hello coders. Here in this video I will be explaining you that there are some numbers like 12.33. We will be extracting the number part which is 12 and we will be extracting the decimal part which is 0.33 and we will be ruling out the decimal means that our answer will be 12. So for the number part we can use a function like round, then press tab key from the keyboard and select the number, comma followed by 0. Now this 0 means that after point, that is decimal, one first position will be taken into account. So 12.33, its 3 is less than 5 means the answer will be 12, while in my fourth row it is 54.67, which means that after decimal we have 6 which is greater than 5, the answer will be 55. Now let's close the braces and press enter and select the control shift down arrow. No, it didn't work. Control shift up arrow. What will be doing is that after keeping the cursor at 12, I'll be pressing on this 7 by pressing control shift and then click. No, it's still not working. Let's select it manually by the left click. Now we'll be pressing control D from the keyboard to copy the formula. Notice here in 54.67 the answer is 55. Since after the decimal places the number is 6, after decimal the zeroth position is 6 which is greater than 5, so the answer will be 55. Now for the decimal part, let me take the number as a whole. So we are having now 12.33. Now we need to subtract int. Int is a function, there is a function called trunc. What trunc does that truncates the value, that is 12.33. the decimal part will be ruled out, only the truncated portion, that is 12, will be taken into account. So 12.33 minus 12, that's the answer to the decimal portion of this number. Now let me press select this range of cell and press Ctrl D to copy the formula, again ruling out decimal. So ruling out decimal, it means that in round function we are getting 54.67. Now our organization is asking for something like that they will not be taking into account the decimal portion. They are only being concerned with the number as a whole. So we'll be using trunc. Okay, so we'll be pressing equal to trunc and then press tab key. Tab key makes you, gives a surety that the formula which you are typing is correct or not. So if after selecting the formula you press trunc, if the formula gets populated, that means that you are using the correct formula and the correct syntax. So select this 12.33, close the braces and press enter. Once again we will be doing what is that, shift down arrow and we will be pressing Ctrl D. So this video is a pretty long video. You can watch it from the beginning and apply it to your own, practice it on your own to achieve what I am trying to explain it to you guys. That's all for this video. Happy coding guys, and thank you.